The Illusion of Law and Identity, a critical examination of modern governance. Introduction, the construct of the imaginary world. What if the world you believe in, countries, names, laws, and taxes, is nothing more than an elaborate fiction? This document challenges the foundational assumptions about identity, governance, and legal obligations, proposing that modern legal systems operate under constructs that are both imaginary and designed for control. The concept of countries as imaginary seas. Contrary to common belief, we do not live in countries as tangible, sovereign entities. Rather, these nations exist as legal fictions within an overarching system of Admiralty Law. This form of law, traditionally governing maritime conduct, has been extended metaphorically to encompass land-based governance. In this paradigm, each individual is represented not as a living being but as an imaginary ship navigating these conceptual seas, where commerce and legal structures operate under the guise of maritime jurisdiction. The person as a play piece, names and birth dates. To integrate real human beings into this fictional legal framework, the system assigns each person a play piece known as a person, identified by a name and birth date. These identifiers are not inherent truths but constructs imposed at birth. A name is hearsay, a label assigned without any intrinsic connection to one's true essence. Similarly, a birth date is an arbitrary marker, detached from any universal truth about the origin of life or the universe itself. The rigged game of legal systems. This legal fiction is a carefully designed game, where laws are set up like traps, waiting for individuals to inadvertently break them. This framework enables those in power to exercise control, extracting wealth and curtailing freedoms under the pretense of maintaining order. The system's true purpose is not justice but resource extraction, facilitated by a network of regulations that serve the interests of those who crafted them. Questioning legal obligations, taxes and laws. If the world of laws and governance is indeed a construct, then why are individuals compelled to follow these laws and pay taxes? The argument here is that legal obligations are based on consent, often given unknowingly through participation in the system, e.g., using legal names, signing contracts, or engaging with governmental institutions. In essence, the laws themselves acknowledge that their authority relies on the perception of legitimacy, not on any intrinsic, universal mandate. Conclusion: reclaiming autonomy in an imaginary world. Recognizing the fictional nature of modern governance systems offers an opportunity to reclaim personal sovereignty. By understanding that names, birth dates, and even countries are constructs designed for control, individuals can begin to question the legitimacy of the obligations imposed upon them. This critical awareness is the first step towards navigating the complex interplay between reality and the legal fictions that seek to govern it.